gang, so you're joining us for the morning session right now. They did the 12K run, and as you saw earlier, they came in and they started jogging around the academy for about a good 20 minutes, I would say. Usually it's more sabai, but we have the new trainer, and he's really putting it on to make these guys stronger and better. And right now, Tito's at bag work. You have other fighters doing the pad work, so I'm not sure if they're going to have him also do pad work, but we'll see, and you guys will be here for us. Like I talked about on the bag work, it's not really in the meat of the fight camp right now, so we're going a little bit slower to apply those new tactics and techniques that the new trainer gave him last week. So come on, let's get it in. Turn the knee a little bit more. Turn the knee a little. It might feel awkward, but we only practicing, gang. Good long jab, just like we've been working on the last session, which was Saturday. All right, so this is it, guys. You know, sometimes it might feel a little bit awkward when you're trying to break a habit, but you know, that's how you improve. That's how your game, it elevates, and the evolution of getting better is part of it. You got to do some things that's a little bit uncomfortable, and then trust the training. You got to trust the training. And if anything, just add it to the repertoire that you already have. So that's what we're doing right now. You know, it might feel a little bit awkward for Tito to turn his knee out, but you know, this is how we're gonna get better. This is how 6 months from now, everybody say, man, he moves so different. It might feel awkward a little bit, but you have to practice it, guys. You put the reps in. All right, that's like, you can compare it to, let's say that you've been shooting a jump shot a certain way, right? But then you have Steph Curry's shooting coach say, all right, put your elbow this way. All right, put your feet this way. All right, even though it might feel awkward, you go to the gym and you put in those reps the way he just showed you. That way the feeling becomes more natural. And think about it, you're not losing what you already know. You're just adding on to what you already have. Ooh, bars. Like when you're training and when you're learning stuff new, don't become frustrated, right? You should be happy and pleased that you have somebody to actually take the time to show you what they know. All right, I had a guy that came in for a training camp one time, and he was doing so many things that could be improved on. And when I gave him the improvement, you know, he got in his feelings and actually began to cry. And you have to understand, I remember when I first got to Thailand, my thing was, bro, I don't know anything. I'm a blank sheet of paper. Show me what you know. Teach me. That's why I sacrificed everything and moved over here. Not to come in and say, oh, no, I like to do it this way. No. You can't learn anything like that, all right? Nobody can put anything in you if your cup's already full. You have to be an empty vessel and take it in and really try. That's how you're going to improve. So, guys, remember that. I'm going to have Tito go a little bit slower. That way he can really get the principles of it, the techniques of it, the minute details, right? Sometimes you have to go slower to go faster. Tabernacle. See, going slow. It's something new. As long as that elbow don't come out, you good. As long as that elbow don't flare. And protect on that right side. Does it feel long? Pause. It does. And then also you have to imagine, if you jab, can they body kick you? All right? If it's a short jab, you can get body kick. If it's a long jab, it's going to be harder. Use your height. Pop. Repetition. Ooh. Repetition is key, guys. I don't fear the man that can do 10,000 kicks. I fear the man that has done the same kick 10,000 times, something like that. Bruce Leroy. Pop, extend, and chop. Do it till it feel natural. Remember the back knee, okay? Pop, we're gonna start from the foundation. And add blocks in there too, Tito, if you're keen. So Tito's good over here. It's a cracking morning. It's usually sabai, but I can't stress it enough. His new trainer is top notch, a monster. So I'm gonna come over here, let you guys check out the pad work, see what's actually going on. And if you were to come here in the morning, you'll be getting the same kind of gas if you do the fighters class. All right, so let's go check them out. This is this is Jaguar. He's actually coming off a little bit of injury right now. So, you know, the trainer's working with him. One of the best trainers in the game. I see the comments hating, but this guy is a phenomenal trainer. All right, don't judge a book by its cover. One of the best trainers up here. Pad holders for sure. Ooh, now, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, 5 pieces. Oh! Wrap in the hood. Head to them. Oh, it's supposed to be moving. They want them moving while they wait. That's very good. That's very good. I like that there. And you got guys over here still working. This is it, guys. This is it. This is good work. This is good work. Who cares about the clock? They still going. Who cares about the clock? They still going. Who's scared? Yeah. I like. Let's go, Chun. FC Chun. FC Chun. Yeah. What you got, Free? Ooh! Press down. Hey! Chain. Up. Oh! Big jump! Yeah! Let's go, touch! Bra! What's up, Free? Oh! All right, guys, so this is maybe about 6 minutes so far. 6 minutes straight, no stop. He still wants them to move. Hey, yo. Don't let him outwork you. Oh! Scary. Don't let him outwork you. What you got? Let's go, Chuck. Let's go, proper. Sci-fi. Big dog. We're here with the Petchyindee SNC instructor, one of the best in the game. Coach, what do we have going on this morning?
Today we're going to train like explosive workout, like we're going to train rotation power, like slam, like throw, like a power press, something like that, and a lot of jump.
Okay, so today is not for muscle building, it's for explosion.
Yes, exactly.
What is better for fighter, muscle building or more explosive?
More explosive. All athletes should have base strength, and then at one point they have to develop to power, like explosive power.
So you do not like dumbbell curls?
No.
Bench press for
yes.
Shoulder shrugs? You don't like?
No. Actually, we should train, but not much. But we have to train like specific power, boom, like kick, like a jump a lot.
Specific lifting for fighters.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, that's what we're doing today.
Yes.
Tabernacle. Thank you so much, Coach. All right, gang. So that's what we're doing right now. So the guys just finished up with about, I would say about 2 rounds. So about 10 minutes of that little circle combination on the bag. They done a long run. They done a middle run, in the side, and they did bag work. The people that were on the pads, those are actually guys that are the last week of fight camp. So of course they're gonna get a little bit more extra work. Tito still hasn't gotten to that point yet, right? So he just went to straight bag work. Now we're gonna do the SNC training, like you just heard from the coach. It's more about explosive work. It's not really about building muscle, having big traps, big lats and all that, right? We wanna have good functional strength, of course, but it's all about the explosive, those fast twitch muscles to make you that much better of a Nakmoy. So I'm gonna give you guys a workout and take notes, and you can apply these exercises yourself. Just don't forget to holler at us and tag us, let us know. Tabernacle. Explosive movements. This is how you build that explosive movements. He wants to go knees to chest. Knees to chest. Ooh, Michael Jordan. All right, now he's doing the one-arm kettlebell swings. He says he wants him to use his hip to drive it up. Use a hip to swing. Use your hip to swing it up. There you go, nice and controlled. If it was easy, everybody would do it, huh? Yeah? I think so too. This is going to be packed out with people because it'll be so easy. But it's not. You want them to go faster. You want them to go faster. I like that. Keeping them responsible, bro. You can't get it in second gear. You got to go full throttle, even though it hurts. He's a good coach. You hold them responsible. There you go. Faster, that's good. Fast. You have to do your best. Everything else will take care of itself. All right, guys, so now we're doing ball slams. Tito said that his shoulder was a little bit tweaked this morning. All right, I don't know. I can only go by what he says. So he's just gonna do his best and do it with one arm. All right, Mamba mentality, right? Here we go. Yeah, like you stepping into a shot. Like you stepping into a shot. Two pick. Back up and step into it. Right, so now we're changing the variations up. This is more focused on explosive power for the uppercut. Still need good footwork, still need to have a strong body, and you still have to do your best. All right, gang, it's the difference between being hurt and being injured, all right? If you do this as a full-time gig, full-time career, you training every day, you're gonna have knickknacks. Stuff's gonna hurt, but that still shouldn't give you an excuse to have fasted, all right? Work through it, gang. It's part of it. It's part of it. All right, remember this, gang. Not everybody want to see you win. Some people want to see you fail, all right? So therefore, you got to do the best you can, bro, to prevent all that. At the end of the day, it's only you. Look like he's shaking his head at me. I didn't do nothing to him. But it's giving him the tools to succeed. It's up to him to build, though. It's up to him to build. You gotta dig deep, yo, when you want something different. It can't be an excuse every other day, guys. Remember that. This is the toughest sport in the world. Stuff is gonna hurt. You're gonna have knickknacks. But can your mind get you through it? Yeah, this was kind of like last minute. I wasn't expecting to shoot this morning, but I saw when I came in, they were doing something different. So I said, let me get this recorded. Get it out here just to see, just so everybody can see the work that the guys have been putting in. And like I always say, if you want more fruit, you have to plant more seeds. So that's what these guys are doing this morning. We're gonna come back, we're gonna go home, we're gonna get some rest, get some good food, getting cow. And then we're gonna come back in the evening and I'm gonna do another segment of the training for today. We'll see how that works. Appreciate y'all guys for locking in with us. Tapping out.